this, I think we need to just write a list of all the numbers starting from 1. And then as we go along, circle any number that's not a factor of 720. Okay, I'll just write the first 20 numbers down. Right, and here it goes. So 1 is, and 2 is, 3 is because the digits add up to a multiple of 9. In fact, I can rule out 9 as well. 4 goes into it because 4 goes into 20. 5 definitely does, and so does 10. 6 does because 2 and 3 do. 7, however, doesn't. 7 goes into 700, but then it'd be 721 that 7 would be a factor of. 8. 8 goes into 72, so it goes into 720. 11 doesn't. You'd get like it goes into 770, and then there's a difference of 50, and 11 doesn't go into 50. So 11 is not a factor. Okay, on to more complicated numbers like 12. So 12, remember 12 is 3 times 4. We know that 3 goes into it and 4 goes into it, so 12 also goes into it. 13 is prime and doesn't. It will go into 260, it will go into then 520. If I add on another 260, it would go into 780, but it doesn't go into 60, the difference. So again, yeah, no, not 13. 14, because 7 doesn't go into it, 14, there's no way it can. 15, because 5 and 3 do. That one won't. Okay, 16. So 72, 16 will actually, because 720 divided by 8, as I was talking about before, that equals 90. And then another 2 will go into it, so 16 is a factor. 17 is not, however, won't go into it. The 10th number, okay, we've got a few more to go. 18, 9 goes into it and 2 goes into it. 19 is a prime number and doesn't. So that one's okay. 20 will go into it. Okay, so I'm up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so far. 21, 22. 21 doesn't go into it because 7 doesn't, and 22 doesn't because 11 doesn't. 23 is a prime number and doesn't go into it. 24 is 8 times 3, and both of those go into it. 25. Now 5 goes into it, which would give actually 144 if we divide it by 5, but then 5 doesn't go into 144, so it doesn't go into it twice. And so actually that ends up being our 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I don't think there's a quick way of doing this question. You've got to be careful. You maybe can take a shortcut because you can recognize that 720 is a multiple of 360, and you might know all your multiple, all your factors of 360. They're like the nice numbers, like 90 and 4 and so on. There's no awkward prime numbers that go into it, which is kind of why I started eliminating 23 very quickly in 17 and 19. But just be careful. Answer 25.